together. Let's sing the ABCs with farm animals. Clap your hands and sing with me. A is for antelope, antelope jumps. B is for bunny, bunny hops, bunny hops. C is for cow, cow says moo, cow says moo. D is for duck, duck goes quack, quack. E is for emu, emu walks tall, walks tall. F is for frog, frog jumps high. Rib, 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 rib. G is for goat, goat says ma, climbs a hill. H is for hen, hen lays eggs, cluck cluck. I is for inchworm, inchworm crawls slow and small. J is for jackal, jackal fast, fast and free. K is for kitten, kitten meow soft and sweet. L is for lamb, lamb says back, coffee fee. M is for mouse, mouse goes squeak, squeak. N is for newt, newt is small, crawls so big. O is for owl, owl says hoo hoo at night. P is for pig, pig says oink, rolls in mud. Q is for quail, trail hops quick, feathered rain. R is for rooster, rooster crows cock-a-doodle-doo. S is for sheep, sheep says baa, soft and white. T is for turkey, turkey goes gobble, gobble, gobble. U is for uriel, uriel climbs with curly horns. V is for vole, vole digs tunnels underground. W is for worm, worm wiggles in the soil. X is for x-ray fish, x-ray fish skin. Y is for yak, yak says grr, big and strong. Z is for zebra, zebra trots black and white. Now we sang the ABC with our friends on the farm, you see. Clap your hands now, shout hooray. We learn letters in a fun farm way.
Blueberry. Don't forget like and subscribe, guys.